You're right, mate.
Yeah, living the dream, sir.
Living the dream. Get into your sales pitch. How are you guys? You alright?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Have we got cakes?
Yeah?
You have to get it for and I thought, oh, straight on it, you've got cakes.
Come on, get in the three amigos. There you go.
Just a little wiggle on that.
That's to stop the wind noise.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dead cut.
So I do a lot of...
Is it real hair?
Yeah, well, come on, get
real
in.
pubes?
It's actually off...
Oh, what was that?
It's called a muff.
I don't want to know.
Dead cut. Stops the...
Come on, Matt, move over.
You gotta move over.
Yeah.
Sam.
Stops the wind noise.
Yeah.
Actually, you thought it was because the camera's modelled on your head.
Yes.
That's what it was.
No.
I was looking.
Austin 7.
Austin 7 special, yeah, it's been many years in the project. I basically met Simon last year and he's going to be guiding me through the mechanical side of it.
And the chassis and the engine and the axles and all the rest of it.
I've already done a special and I'm doing another one, so likewise I'm going to help Tom with his chassis and bits and pieces and hopefully help me with the body and show me how to do that.
Yeah.
Like a partnership of trades really.
Yeah.
We both help each other.
Tom's going to build the body from aluminium.
Yeah, like a complete bespoke one-off special boat-tail body. So that's the plan for the channel.
On the classic.
Yeah. So that's Metal Shaper Tom. That's my plug.
SW Creations. That's mine. So yeah.
There you go, boys.
Thank you very much.
Oh, there we are. Look. That's it. And I'll just stick you on the videos. Greasy Geezer's Garage.
Yeah, it's a spoof. It's from like the 1960s, how garages were traditionally, you know, as they came through the ages. And it was set up as Greasy Geezer's Garage, you know, repairing old Ford Corsairs.
Brilliant. And here we have one with a V6 in it. Is that an SX or a Cologne engine?
That's an SX 3-litre V6. It's been the whole car has been built and designed by our club chairman Rob Shand, and he put it together in about 2006. Ran it for 6 years, and then took it off the road in 2012.
Wow. So you're lifting it out or back in now?
The engine is now going back in. It actually has the engine over there.
Oh, that one, right, yeah.
The vehicle is an automatic, and that's a performance-built engine. And the drivability with the automatic gearbox wasn't quite as it should be. So,
Yeah.
That's a standard 3-litre.
Put you on the next one.
So lovely. Thank you, Trev. Cheers, mate.
Are you starstruck, Grace?
I am.
Yeah?
I am.